Saturday, and we're on Crater Lake Road, and we're headed up to Crater Lake National Park. Got Crystal with me today. Say hi. The weather's got pretty much cooler. I'm having to wear a little bit of a blue jean jacket today. But and we got a forecast for rain this weekend. Hopefully we'll miss a lot of that. But the weather's great out here. It's partly cloudy. And Crystal says it's pretty. And also, this is supposed to be a scenic highway, and it's definitely a scenic highway. Alright guys, we'll catch you later. Here at Crater Lake National Park. There's Crystal twittering.